this. Look at this shit. I just got more packages here. I can guarantee you. I don't know what's in the other box. I can guarantee you. It's another one of those. Okay, I'll pause it. We're gonna see what it looks like. See how much more junk I bought. I should totally be doing this for my YouTube channel. I don't, but I'm gonna start. Oh look, it's another one. Because everyone needs to have fucking 2 of these, right? It's stupid. Alright, let's see what else I got. This is why I have to stay off the internet. I hope it's not full of regret. Ah! I might have to rebox this for my channel. I used to run around with chainsaws and I would tell my channel, this is my knife! I'm so excited! Yay! This is so exciting.